Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're covering the top 10 air fryer recipes for every diet, from keto and vegan to low-calorie and gluten-free. This is a two-part guide, so be sure to watch until the end of this video and stick around for part 2 immediately after. Now, while we're using still images today, don't let that fool you. This video is packed with rich content, step-by-step instructions, and tips to help you make the most of your air fryer. Let's dive into 5 incredible recipes, and don't forget to check the description for links to the top-rated air fryers on Amazon. Air fryers have become one of the most popular kitchen gadgets, and for good reason. They reduce oil usage by up to 85%, making meals healthier. They're fast, cutting cooking times in half compared to traditional ovens. And they're versatile. You can use them for appetizers, mains, desserts, and even reheating leftovers. Whether you're using the highly rated Ninja Foodi or the versatile Cosori air fryer, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Let's start with our first recipe. Our first recipe is a keto favorite, Parmesan crusted chicken. It's low-carb, packed with protein, and has that irresistible crispy texture. Here's what you'll need: 2 chicken thighs or breasts, a half cup grated Parmesan, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Steps: preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the Parmesan, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Coat the chicken pieces in the mixture, pressing the coating onto the chicken for better adhesion. Place the chicken in the air fryer basket. Cook for 18 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Pro tip: want an extra crunch? Add crushed pork rinds to the coating mixture. The result is crispy, flavorful chicken, perfect for keto meal prep or weeknight dinners. Next up is one of the best vegan air fryer recipes, buffalo cauliflower wings. This dish has all the heat and flavor of classic buffalo wings, but without the meat or grease. You'll need 1 head of cauliflower, cut into bite-sized florets, half cup flour or gluten-free flour, half cup plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, your favorite buffalo sauce. Steps: preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk together the flour, milk, and garlic powder to create a smooth batter. Dip the cauliflower florets into the batter, shaking off excess. Arrange the florets in the air fryer basket, ensuring they're not overcrowded. Cook for 15 minutes, shaking halfway. Once cooked, toss the cauliflower in warmed buffalo sauce. Serving suggestion: pair these with celery sticks and vegan ranch for the ultimate snack or party appetizer. Our third recipe is a guilt-free treat: low-calorie sweet potato fries. Perfect as a snack or side dish, these fries are just 120 calories per serving. Ingredients: 2 medium sweet potatoes cut into thin strips, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt to taste. Steps: preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the sweet potato strips with olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Arrange the fries in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Cook for 20 minutes, shaking halfway. Pro tip: for even crispier fries, soak the potato strips in cold water for 30 minutes before cooking. Dry them thoroughly before seasoning. This Mediterranean classic gets a healthy twist in the air fryer. These falafels are vegan, gluten-free, and perfect for wraps, salads, or dipping. Ingredients: 1 cup canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1/4 cup onion, diced, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons chickpea flour. Steps: in a food processor, combine all ingredients until you achieve a slightly coarse texture. Form the mixture into small patties or balls. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the falafel in the basket and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway. Serving suggestion: serve with tahini sauce, hummus, or in a warm pita for a delicious Mediterranean meal. Tofu lovers, this one's for you. Air-fried tofu is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and perfect for stir-fries, salads, or snacking. You'll need 1 block firm tofu, pressed and cubed, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Steps: marinate the tofu cubes in soy sauce and sesame oil for 10 to 15 minutes. Toss the marinated tofu in cornstarch for extra crispiness. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the tofu for 15 to 20 minutes, shaking halfway through. Pro tip: Add your favorite spices like smoked paprika or chili flakes to the marinade for extra flavor. That's it for the first 5 recipes in our 2-part guide. In part 2, we'll explore even more exciting air fryer recipes, including gluten-free snacks and decadent desserts. Don't go anywhere. Part 2 is coming up next. Welcome back to part 2 of our guide to the top 10 air fryer recipes for every diet. In this second part, we're covering 5 more recipes that will take your air fryer game to the next level. From savory snacks to mouth-watering desserts, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to check the description for links to the best air fryers and accessories on Amazon. Let's jump straight into recipe number 6. Gluten-free zucchini chips. Gluten-free zucchini chips are a light, crispy snack that's perfect for munching. These are a healthier alternative to potato chips and come together in just minutes. You'll need 2 zucchinis, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup gluten-free breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, optional, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, olive oil spray. Steps: preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the zucchini slices with olive oil spray, breadcrumbs, Parmesan, and Italian seasoning. Arrange the slices in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway. Pro tip: serve with a garlic yogurt dip or marinara sauce for added flavor. Air-fried garlic Parmesan Brussels sprouts. Even Brussels sprout skeptics will love this recipe. These garlic Parmesan Brussels sprouts are crispy, flavorful, and low in calories, perfect as a side dish or snack. Ingredients: 1 pound Brussels sprouts halved, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Steps: preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the Brussels sprouts in olive oil, Parmesan, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Place them in the air fryer basket and cook for 15 minutes, shaking halfway. Pro tip: add a squeeze of lemon juice after cooking for a bright, tangy flavor. Air-fried chicken tenders, keto-friendly. Who doesn't love crispy chicken tenders? These air-fried tenders are a healthier twist on a classic and perfect for a keto diet. You'll need 1 pound chicken tenders, 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Steps: coat the chicken tenders in a mixture of almond flour, Parmesan, and spices. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the tenders in the air fryer basket. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. Pro tip: pair these tenders with sugar-free barbecue sauce for the ultimate keto meal. Air-fried stuffed bell peppers, vegan. Stuffed bell peppers are a filling, plant-based option that's perfect for meal prep or a quick dinner. These are vegan, gluten-free, and full of nutrients. Ingredients: 4 bell peppers, tops removed and seeds scooped out. 1 cup cooked rice, use cauliflower rice for low carb. 1/2 cup black beans, 1/4 cup salsa, 1 teaspoon cumin. Steps: mix the rice, beans, salsa, and cumin together in a bowl. Stuff the bell peppers with the mixture. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the peppers in the basket and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Pro tip: add vegan cheese on top for a melty, cheesy finish. Air fryer chocolate lava cake. We're finishing with a decadent dessert: air fryer chocolate lava cake. Perfect for special occasions or a sweet treat. Ingredients: mix 2 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, use almond flour for gluten-free. Steps: melt the chocolate chips and butter together in a microwave or double boiler. Whisk in the powdered sugar, egg, and flour until smooth. Grease 2 ramekins and pour in the batter. Preheat the air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the cakes for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are set but the center is gooey. Pro tip: serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the ultimate indulgence. And that wraps up our top 10 air fryer recipes for every diet. From savory snacks to indulgent desserts, there's something for everyone. If you're ready to try these recipes, check the description for links to the best air fryers and accessories on Amazon, including the Ninja Foodie and Kosori air fryer. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves cooking. Let us know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.